Center here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you some Animal Jam edits that I've been doing, and the new, improved, awesome, on sale Alpha Dens. Got Liza's Garden right here, which I have. We have Graham's Observatory, Cosmo's Treehouse, Hex Den, which was already in stores, Sir Gilbert's Palace, Greely's Hideout, and the other ones. But these are now on sale. And plus, they're back in stores. So, just going to give you a quick tour. Room 1. Roof 2. Room 3. Room 4 and Edit 1. Edit 2. Rarest Jammer and AJ. Welcome back to the Jamar Journal. We found some news. There's a new rarest jammer. User Cat120 is the rarest jammer in AJ. She has more than enough headdresses and spikes. And spikes are like necklaces. If you gift her, you'll get a rare in return. That's it, jammers. Now, this was not an edit. This was a real trade for my real headdress, but yeah. So these are just my screenshots, and then I put them onto a white background. So this one actually took me a long time to edit. So first this was actually a monkey in the background, and then I had to put on this. And then I had to change all of the clothing items. And I had to change the color because I accidentally, see how that's white, I accidentally put a picture right there. So I had to find another color animation. So yeah, those are all my good edits. Yeah. Like my aquarium den. Well, not den, room.